Welcome to Kevin's European Garage, and today I'm going to be changing the corner lens on this headlight on my 1999 Porsche 996. So I picked up a new corner lens from Porsche to replace the broken one that's in my headlight. So let's get started taking out the headlight. Okay, so to gain access to the headlight where you can use your factory tool, hopefully you still have the factory tool to get this out. It makes it a lot easier. So you're going to unscrew this. And you gotta unscrew and kind of pull out at the same time. Pull down your panel. Okay, so now that I got the screw out and the cover pulled over to the side, you're going to want to put this tool inside the hole over here. And you're going to twist. Once you twist counterclockwise, you have released the headlight. You pull out. You just pull straight out. The headlight comes out pretty easy. Let's put it on the bench and let's swap out this corner lens. So here's the toolkit I was talking about. Hopefully you still have that, because it includes this nice little handy little wrench to take out your headlights. Since I'm not worried about these tabs over here, you can already see that there's a couple of them that are broken. I mean, there's water inside this lens, so this lens is garbage anyways. So I'm just going to break this last little tab and slide off the lens. And you can see I got a little bit of water inside there. Okay, so let's try putting this thing in now. I'm going to slide it on the little tab over here. If you got the holes lined up, just basically press. And it clicks right on in. Sometimes when you're pushing it in, you might feel like you're putting too much pressure and then you're worried about breaking the tabs, but you do have to put a little pressure in order to get it in. And so there's a new corner lens, and let's talk about putting this thing back in. One thing you have to be careful of when you're putting this back in is that you're careful of your electrical connection, and that's right over in here. You have to slide it back in. You have to slide the headlight in so that the tabs go underneath into these rails right over here. One's here and the other one is right over here. Okay, so now that we got the corner lens changed, let's put the headlight in. And now that the headlight is in, let's lock it in place with the tool. See that the headlight is definitely not coming out. Now it's been locked back in. You hear a click when you do that. Then put your clip back in. And that's it. That's how you change the headlight corner piece. And you can also do the same thing if you want to replace any of the headlight bulbs. So it's pretty simple to get this headlight in and out. It's nice if you got the tool, it makes it really easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll have some more videos in the future. See ya.